Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to learn editing for the beginner. So if you are a beginner on editing, or this is the first time for you to try learn about editing, I will suggest you to have these two applications, either the VN or Capcut. This two is the basic or the applications that are really easy to be used for the beginner. And today I would like to show you the way how to use Capcut. So you just need to install the Capcut application with those symbols that I showed you before, and after that, this is the look whenever you open the Capcut. And to create new editing, you just need to create a new project by click this create button, and after that the Capcut will bring you into your library, and then you can choose the video that you want to edit. Or if you don't have any video to edit, you can also do this stock videos, because Capcut also provide a lot of videos that you can use for learn here. And after that, you just need to choose the specific video that you want to use, and after that go click add. And here, after you adding the video into your project, now you already have one project that active. So whenever you already have a project, now you will have a lot of features that you can use down here, and it's all basically almost free, so you can use and explore any tools down here. So to activate it, the tools, you just need to go click every single tools, and it will be bring you to their expand features that you can use. So for the basic one, I think I will like to make you understand the way how to trim the video. You can see that my video on my project here is 30 seconds. So to trim or make the video shorter on a Capcut, you just need to go click the clip, and after that, this straight lines is your guidance to adjusting the positions that you want to stay. So for example, if you want to only keep 10 seconds of the beginning of the video, you need to drag the video until the straight line is stopped in a 10 second. Drag the video until it stopped in the 10 second. You can take a look on this duration. So whenever it is already 10 and this straight line is already in the position where the video is at 10, now you just need to go click split. And after that, you just need to go click delete, since you want to only keep the beginning of the clip. Now you only have 10 seconds from 30 seconds video that you have before. So that is the basic things that I will like to show to you as a beginner at editing. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.